Khangrong Salo Tulasikhar Blockni SHG Adong Rokbai kaisa Kokchab PandaoAchukha Hakotorni Textile Bedekni Union Minister of State Popitra Margarita PandaoAchukha Khoi Hakotorni DM Chandni Chandran Additional DM Obijit Chakraborty Khorang.
Would like to welcome Sri Popitra Margarita Sir, Honorable Minister of State for External Affairs and Textiles, Ministry of Textiles, Government of India. Thank you.
Aboni Tulasikhar Khoi Hakotorni DM Tangnokni Conference Hall Nogo kaisa Kokchab PandaoAchukha Hakotorni Textile Bedekni Union Minister of State Popitra Margarita Aboni Yagulo Tulasikhar Blockni SHG Adong Rokbai Khlaijaka Kokchab Panda Paiman Yagulo TRLM Group by Naikolzak Brirokni Yakni Snamjak Dalbidal Resumte Mani Khri Rokno Berai Naikha Hakotorni Textile Bedekni Union Minister of State Popitra Margarita PandaoAchukha Khoi Hakotorni DM Chandni Chandran Additional DM Obijit Chakraborty BSC Chairman Pradip Debroma Dei Shudambor Debroma Khorang.
It's a very good experience for two reasons. Because of the because practically we have experienced the progress, development, moreover grievances as well, and all the schemes and projects of central government even and as well as the state government, how these are implemented and what is the progress. To review it practically, we have visited place even to the blocks and villages. So along with district administration and DM, I have visited many localities and rural areas and blocks of this Khorang district, and this morning we reviewed the progress of different schemes and works of the governments. It's very satisfactory because of the double engine Sarkar, central government led by Prime Minister Modi ji and the state government led by the vibrant, energetic and dynamic leader, Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Manik Sahaji. Now Tripura is going to witness what this real development is, because although it may sound like political statement, but it is true that after independence for the last 6-7 decades, like many other parts of Northeast India, our Tripura also didn't see the real development. Now, during these last 10 years, in all the sectors, right, from education to healthcare to agriculture, everywhere. Now, like the other parts, Tripura is also on the right track. Now we are confident, we are very much optimistic with the cooperation of people, with the blessings of people of the beautiful state of Tripura. Both the government, the central and state government, will be able to implement all the schemes and projects on time-bound manner, with result-oriented manner, and I'm optimistic. Only to review that, I have come in. It's a really nice experience, especially the costume, the attire, the textile. I mean, textile of the our tribal people of this beautiful land, and the cultural performing arts I have witnessed. So rich. Tripura is so rich in culture, in language. The social fabric is so strong. The flora, fauna, the natural beauty is so mesmerizing. So along with the review, I'm enjoying the beauty of the beautiful state, especially the people of the state. Love you, Tripura.
Thank you. Chini Khorang.
Terima kasih.